Morning.
Bonjour.
Where are we off to?
So we're off to Carnac.
Yeah, we're off to see the megalithic site at Carnac. So
We spent the night in just it's a motorhome park up, but it's just like a little car park thing, isn't it?
yeah,
In Auray. I don't know
Yeah.
how you say it again.
it's been really peaceful, hasn't it?
Yeah, really.
It's supposed to be a very nice town actually, but
Yeah.
we've got some other very nice towns to visit. In fact, all towns are very nice. Right, shall we make a move? The aircon's on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's be off in another town.
So we've arrived.
We have.
We're at the Museum of the Megaliths, which it's a free entry, and I think we're going to go on the train tour. There's a little
Little chuffer.
that takes us round and so we can have a look at it. But I think you can walk as well. Obviously, I don't think you can touch the stones. The museum's just behind us there, Maison De Megalithique. So we'll have a look at that later.
Yeah.
But this is one of 4 or 5 sites across the area that extend for about 4 kilometres, and a lot of the stone have been already taken away for building churches and housing in the area. There's a couple of roads that cut through the sites in certain places, which is a shame, isn't it? But that's what used to happen. At least it's all protected now, and we'll take you around and with us so you'll see what we can see. So today we're at the Maison De Megalithique. So that's just that bit there. It looks small on the map there, but especially when it shows the person that tall. But there's also the Alignments de Camario, the Alignment du Manio, and the Alignment de Curliscan, and the Alignment du Petit Menec. So this is where we're at today. As you can see, there's roads that go through, which is a shame, and there's obviously a road through this bit here as well. But there's also dolmens, burial mounds, and menhirs, and which are the large single-standing stones. And this is where we're situated. And so the museum is over here. Right. Should we go and see if we can get on the train? So see if it's in the station.
It is in the station. I can actually see it. So.
We're quite early. I think it's about, what is it, 10 o'clock-ish?
Yeah.
Some lovely picnic areas over here, around here as well. Well, our train's in the station. Here it is. It was made in 1894 by the look of it, which is quite odd because I think that was before the Industrial Revolution, really. Let's get our tickets then. Here we are. $6.50. Okay, so the tour it's quite good actually. It takes you through the Alignments de Curliscan, the Alignments de Camario, Alignments de Menec, the Dolmen of Camario, the Tumulus St Michel, Port Endro, Carnac Plage, which is the beach, Lumen du, de Saint Paranamique vers le Port de la Trinity sur Mer, so that's the port, and we'll look around the port area. So I think it's quite good for €6.50 per adult, and how much is it for a child? Couldn't see. Ladies, is it $3.50?
$3.50, I think.
Yeah, very pleasant.
There is, I'll just show you.
Different languages, so you've got...
There's a children's one as well.
There's a children's one, yeah, so you've got all the languages, all the main ones. You don't have Japanese.
Yeah, they're putting everybody English speaking in here.
We started around the train. We'll just spin you around so you can see some of the first megaliths over there. We can have a walk over there later, can't we? Yeah.
Voilà, de la pierre, elle tombe sur la jambe, ça met pas de temps.
You enjoying it?
Yeah.
Lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice.
Well,
Nice
that's
to be
great
out,
as well.
isn't it? Oh, well, that really helps, doesn't it? If it was
Yeah.
raining, it wouldn't be great. That's nice.
We're nearly back to the car park.
Yeah, it's nice to be out and having a look around.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Il va y avoir des accidents.
Being given a bit of information, that's nice. Isn't it?
Yeah. We're nearly back at Rory, aren't we?
Yeah.
Gonna have some dinding.
Yep.
Gonna have a look around then, like,
At breakfast today,
walk
with,
around. No, starving Marvin, isn't we?
yeah, we'll have something to eat and drink, and then we'll go and have a look around even more.
Lovely soup and some pan.
Bang. I love how it is. Bang. So bang.
Le beurre.
Ça Dudley. Bang.
Le pain et le beurre. What did you think?
I enjoyed it. I think we knew before we went what it was going to be like, because Ken from Life Was Too Short said what it was like, didn't he?
Yeah.
So we knew it wasn't much of the stone, so we knew what to expect. I think that's one thing you've got to remember when you go on this tour, if you do it.
Half of it, the
Most
tour
of
was
it is
around
in-
the
just around the
Trinity,
town, isn't it?
St Mary and
But we enjoyed
Carnac.
it because that's what we thought it would be.
Yeah.
So expectations were that it would be learning a little bit about the town and different bits.
Yeah.
What did you think? I thought it was worth it.
Yeah, it was definitely worth it.
But don't
Enjoyed it,
expect
and,
to see much of the stones. It's not 50 minutes of the stones, is it?
No, it's about
No.
20.
About 20, maybe 15,
maybe less.
yeah.
But
We enjoyed it.
Really enjoyed it, yeah. And there's some interesting information about
Yeah.
the area and that, wasn't there? So, all in all, yeah, we're really pleased with it. It's only €6.50 per person as well.
Yeah,
So
$3.50 for the kids.
Yeah.
I'm not sure it's worth it for the kids, but,
it's
but
nice.
yeah, it's lovely.
It's nice.
So
That's about 50
we'll have
minutes.
a look around the museum and the stones themselves now.
Right then. So we're going to have a look inside the music. Was it the Maison De Megalithique?
Yes, correct.
Good, that was, wasn't it? Go and have a look. Oh.
C'est pas long, tout refait le sentier. On l'a aménagé sur 3 km pour les poussettes et les fauteuils roulants, donc c'est vraiment facile. Vous pouvez même longer vous-même les aliments avec.
It's a touch screen. Quite good that is, isn't it? It's going back from
C'est limité dans le temps, c'est valable pour 2 personnes.
Neolithic to megalithic,
Non, 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 non.
and you can touch on each one of them to.
Je vous fais de la clé.
It's coming up to.
Very interactive.
Yeah, it's very good, isn't it? Romana Gallic, Carcassonne. Yeah.
There we go. We've been to that one.
Very good. You can buy tickets for things here as well. Golbecki Tepe. It's supposed to be the oldest archaeological dig, isn't it? Different photos over the years, 1950s and stuff.
Les femmes sont également entièrement démontées. On voit très bien tous les cas. C'est exactement.
Picture from 1891 with this. So we're in the Museum of the Megaliths.
We are.
It's quite good actually, it's quite spacious. There's a video room, isn't there?
Yeah.
You can have a look at.
There's some really old photos all around of people with the stones. That's nice.
Yeah. Yeah, people,
Who visited over the years.
there we go, we'll have a look. So, people at different times, so it was more accessible, I'd imagine. Nice one, isn't it? Nathalie on the motorbike. And the gift shop, ain't we? Nice, isn't it? Beautiful stuff in here. Children's books. Oh, mammoths. Bison or something.
It's what you wash your face in. Or bison.
I think we can go up onto the roof to have a look. There's a kids area there, look. Yeah. Yeah, there's like a roof terrace that you can go up and I think you can view over the top of the stones. Yeah. Should we go? Have a look? Let's go. So we're up on the roof.
On the roof.
Where's the fiddler? Right, I'll spin you around because it's quite a good view from here.
Yeah, better see the view than us.
Yeah, looking out over the alignments of Megalithique. Rory's over there at the car park. Can you point him out?
The orange
Just
one in the trees.
between the trees.
He's in the shade.
Stealthily parked in between the trees, yeah.
He's in the shade, so.
Yeah. So this is just a small part of it. We have a little walk, ain't we, around. I did notice there's the odd stone that's kind of outside the fence, and presumably
Yes.
that's so you can, you know, the people who've got the temptation to
touch.
yeah. It's very tactile, isn't it?
I'm a very tactile person, but I could do without touching a stone.
Yeah.
I think you have a bit of restraint.
Yeah. Not a cloud in the sky.
No. Actually, there is right over there.
Well, there is. It's a,
Right near us.
let's have a look over here. What's this? Oh, it's just a shelter place, I think. Oh, there's a lift for people with disabilities. They seem to be doing a lot of work around here as well, don't they? Improving
they're trying to get the chuffer a bit closer, aren't they? We're going to get the train to
train a bit closer,
a bit closer to them.
Because I think
There were parts where it was a bit far away.
yeah, I think the other thing is, I suppose, it's like what we said most of the tour was just around, not around the stones.
No.
So if they improve the infrastructure around the stones, then
it's all around the town.
it should.
Everything.
Thousands of year history there.
Reminds us of when we get to the top of the mountain. To the
Yeah.
checkpoint.
Yeah, we like to do that, don't we?
Hit a little tap, don't we?
Yeah. Right. Yeah, there's some
there's a few
stones
more
here
we
as well.
can see.
So you can see these ones have been part of the landscape. Beautiful, a white horse and a brown horse. There's another one.
I was told there's no such thing as a white horse.
They're grey, aren't they?
Yeah.
So another one.
So we're just leaving the site. What we wanted to say was if you come in about 6 months to 12 months time, they are doing a lot of improvements that we think is to do with
Making the
making the little train tour a bit better.
yeah.
So I think it's to make sure you take a little bit closer route around the actual stones.
Yeah.
A bit more because it's a 50-minute tour, but I would say at least 30 minutes is around the town, which is fine.
Yeah.
But I guess most people are coming here.
I think
for the
even
stones.
when you go around the stones as well, there's obviously areas where it's just forestry. So
Yeah.
so I suppose you can only see the stones for about 8 to 10 minutes, really.
So what do you do when the supermarket's shut, Mark?
You just come to one of these and you can order a pizza.
And eat it in the van.
Takes 4 minutes to heat it up from cold. Well, I think whether they're prepared or already in there, and they just heat them
Yeah,
up.
they
I
are, of
suppose.
course. What you chosen, Mark?
Hammer mushroom, and you can have it hot or cold. I think I'll have it hot. Oh. So if you're in France and the shops are shut, like this Intermarché, just go to the pizza machine outside and order yourself a pizza. In 4 minutes you've got a nice hot pizza.
What's it saying?
Typical. Ah, don't touch that bit.
Wow, and that is pizza in a box. In a box. Amazing.
You got a hubcap if you got a Fiat 500. Pizza time.
Pizza in a box, in a box.
In a box, in a box, in a van.
Right, so. Pizza comes with a knife. That's handy.
A box.
Not supposed to touch that because it's hot apparently. So let's open it up. Let's have a look.
You get 2 metal trays.
Hey, that's alright, that is.
Yeah. And you got
Think of that.
You got a serving thing. Yeah.
Got two little serving things there as well.
Right. Very good.
Excellent.
Gonna fold that underneath. Oh,
Let's
careful.
not.
I think you can rip it off, but right, chopper. You be the chopper then.
I don't want much of this, but no, other way. It's a short. Actually, we've done the short. We're just video.
Right then.
Do it the other way. It's fine. We've got some metal knives in the back, but we wanted to do it with the things they give you. Might be here all day.
I'm not going to use the knife. I'm just going to rip bits off.
Yeah.
Right then.
Let's tuck in.
In our belly. Don't say that, we'll start making them smaller. So we're on our way to, where are we going to?
Josselin.
Yeah,
I remembered after a while.
just going to pick up some supplies from an Intermarché, which is our third most favourite supermarket probably.
Most favourite, yeah, our favourite's definitely Super U, isn't it?
Super U and Leclerc.
sorry, Leclerc's
is
first,
yeah, first. It seems better prices, but they're Lidl and Aldi's are here as well.
Yeah, Netto's.
But we
So
haven't
we're
been.
going to pick up some supplies,
Yeah.
and then when we get to, well, on the way to Josselin, we'll pick the video up again.
Yeah.
Or it could be that we end this video here and start a new one.
Or it could be on the way to Josselin, or whatever they call it. We see something amazing and we stop.
Yeah.
So which we'll film it then. So.
Either way, we'll show you what we see. Bye.
Bye for now.